Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the connection possible. Put both devices on the same Wi-Fi and enable Bluetooth and location so discovery works. Once done, open Settings and go to Connected Devices or search for Cast/Smart View. This is the handshake step. You're doing this now because automatic discovery depends on those services. Tap the Cast or Screen Mirroring option to start scanning, and keep the screen on so the process isn't interrupted while the target device appears. You should now see available receivers. Select your TV, Chromecast, or compatible smart device. Once connected, make sure to choose a suitable quality. Lower resolution reduces lag, higher resolution gives better clarity. If an app prompts for permissions, display, audio, or network, approve them because they allow full mirroring. If lag appears, switch to 720p or close background apps. Remember, adjusting phone brightness and disabling battery saver improves performance during long sessions. To end, you can tap the cast icon and choose Stop Casting or use Quick Settings. That cleanly closes the session. If your receiver never appears or disconnects, restart Wi-Fi on both devices and reboot the TV or Chromecast. This resolves most handshake failures. Make sure both devices run the latest firmware and your router isn't blocking device discovery. Updating system software fixes many compatibility bugs. If problems persist, try a direct HDMI adapter as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.